Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into how to hide your phone number in WhatsApp. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to clarify that WhatsApp by default does not allow you to hide your phone number directly within the app settings due to privacy and security reasons. Your phone number is essential for account creation and is your primary identifier. However, we've got a workaround for you that can help you maintain that extra bit of privacy you're seeking. Here's a clever trick to keep your personal number private, especially if you're using WhatsApp for business or you simply want to keep your personal number away from the public eye. Get a secondary phone. You can use a virtual phone number service like Google Voice, Skype, or any other that suits your preference and region. These services allow you to create a phone number that can use to register on WhatsApp instead of your personal number. Step 2. Download and install the WhatsApp Business app from the Google Play Store. WhatsApp Business is designed for business owners to interact with their customers easily, but it's also a great tool for anyone looking to manage their privacy more effectively. Open WhatsApp Business and follow the setup instruction. When prompted for a phone number, use the secondary number you obtain from the virtual phone service. Complete the verification process to activate WhatsApp with your number. Once your account is set up, go to Settings, Account Privacy. Here you can adjust who can see your personal information such as your last seen, profile photo and about info. A few things to keep in mind. Using a secondary number might not hide your number from contacts you've already communicated with. Also, ensure you comply with WhatsApp's term of services to avoid any potential issues. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep your personal number private and still enjoy all the features of WhatsApp.